Introduction to Python Syntax. Welcome to MDIGITALEDU. I'm Hasaranga. Today we're exploring the basics of Python syntax. Python syntax is the set of rules that defines how a Python program is written and interpreted. Variables are like containers that store data in Python. For example, this assigns the value 10 to the variable x. Variables help us manage and manipulate data. In Python, we have several data types like integers, strings, lists, and dictionaries. For example, each data type serves a different purpose. Loops help us repeat actions. Here's a for loop example. Loops are essential for tasks that require repetition. We also have while loops for similar tasks. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. For example, functions help us organize and reuse code efficiently. To sum up, understanding Python syntax is the first step to becoming proficient in Python. We covered variables, data types, loops, and functions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials.